This is Mukhtar Bashir Adam speaking from Horn Express, a daily news podcast show at Jijjiga National Region, Ethiopia. Welcome to episode 4, which is concerning what podcast is. So, this topic tonight we will talk about the main importance of broadcasting and how it works. Okay? Peter. Okay, let us start what broadcast is. Broadcasting is a collection or a series of digital audio files that are made up of available downloading or listening via internet. Each individual audio recording is known as broadcast episode.